Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Greenhands. I'm here in the allotment. It's a Sunday fun day, Monday, but it is freezing cold. As you can see, I have my woolly hat on. I got my gloves. You normally don't see me wearing gloves, but I'm out here to get my garlic in the ground because it does need 3 to 4 months of really beautiful cold so it can produce an amazing bulb at the end of the season. Okay, what I've gone ahead and done is shelled all of my garlic, and I've left one so I can show you guys how I separate them and get these beautiful cloves. So what I normally do, I literally just peel back a little bit, and you know it does have a central area there. Just put your finger between it and separate them little by little. Try not to do too much damage. You don't want to shock these cloves into panic attack, as they say, or obviously he doesn't have a heart, so it can't be cardiac arrest. There's a little bit of panic. You don't want to put too much stress on them. Pulling that back a little bit like that. Open them up. Throw that on the ground because it's biodegradable. Just open them up. And voila. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's such a beautiful thing to plant. And the best thing about garlic is that when you get a clove, each one of those cloves can produce a garlic bulb in the summer when you're harvesting them. So first I'm going to try to plant out the bigger ones because the bigger ones has a better chance to produce a bulb of garlic at the end. So I try to plant these, and this is the bottom. This is where you plant it. So this is where the garlic will grow. And I'm going to use my dibber because I have a special bed set up over, let me give you guys a little look, over there, with some amazing stuff added to the soil, and it's ready for me to get them in there. Let me get you guys over there. The garlic that I decided to choose to plant this year are not store-bought ones. I ordered these specially off the internet from a really amazing place that has fantastic reviews on eBay, and I'm gonna plant them. And they were really expensive, but they will be worth the grow. And for my zone, I know for a fact, because obviously you have to research your zone where you are and plant the things that does better in your environment, but that does not lead for you not to have the opportunity to grow something a little bit different. Try, you never know. Or you only plant them, God grows them. So I have a hardneck variety here, and they do fantastic for me in my zone, so I tend to grow hardneck garlic. Let me get them in there and show you exactly how I plant them. So in this bed here, I have a beautiful hay on top mixed with some chicken manure, and I have some horse manure compost, organic horse manure compost blended underneath. I've never done it this way, but I'm gonna give it a go. I really don't. Nothing try, nothing gain. So let's do this. Just knock that down a little bit. I got a dibber, and I'm gonna try to get them down about 4 inches below. And this is a no-dig bed because I'm doing everything on a no-dig basis, because I find for me it does wonders. Let's get rid of a few of these bushes that's sticking out, a few of these plants that I didn't take out of here. So about 4 inch using the dibber, and get the cloves, finding the biggest ones that you have first. I like to plant those, and this goes directly in contact to the soil, and then it will just open up and shoot up and give you a beautiful plant ready for the autumn and this winter, the spring. So I'm going to cover it over a little bit, give it about 4 inches in depth and about 4 inches or up to 6 apart from each other. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to see, give it enough space so in the time and the process of growth, I can find something that does really well with garlic as a companion planting. And while it's doing its job as a garlic, I will be adding in between the gaps and make the most of the space that I have here. I'm going to get these all in there, and then come back and show you how it looks. This is how they look. So I have put them literally down about 4 inches into the ground, all the way along. You probably can see a few trashes of them. Look at that. There's one there, down in the hole there. This hole there, there's a garlic there. In every hole is quite a bit. There is still some remaining, but I'm not going to throw them away. They are going to be going over there in a little bit of patch that I have with nothing in there, and in between some beetroot, because they're going to be finding that lot there. And yeah, I'm hoping more. So people might think, okay, cool, winter is here, this never ends. You gotta go out there, get yourself ready. I know you can see a bit of moisture on there because it is a bit drizzly out here. It's not snot, guys, it's water. It's raining a little bit. It's a bit drilly. It's a bit drizzly. So I'm trying to get it all in. I will be raking. I'm just gonna get my rake to just cover up with the holes a little bit better. Make sure there's not enough. Make sure there's no water settling in those holes so they don't rot the garlic, and get it going. So in about maybe about 3 weeks time, I'll give you guys an update about how it looks. And the cold is not gonna bother this. These garlic are super amazing in the cold, and they do need their cold to develop a bulb. Just like us, we need food to survive. The garlic needs the cold. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands, and my love is always here with me, Mr. Robin Hood. It's amazing, guys. This is life. And if you're not doing this right now, getting everything ready for the next season, organizing yourself, get everything, making it easier for you, I would think you might consider thinking about what you're doing, because the next season should be easier along the way. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Don't forget to please look after the planet, because we just have to. Speak to you guys soon.